English together.
Airplane small talk.
Hi, I think we're seatmates. I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex. I'm Yuki. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first time going to New York?
Yes, it is. I'm very excited, but also a little nervous.
Don't worry, it's a great city. Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. I'm going to New York on vacation. What about you? Where are you from?
I'm from New York. I'm going back home after my business trip.
Oh, that's nice. So you know the city very well.
Yes, I grew up there. What made you decide to visit New York?
I've always wanted to see the famous buildings and try the food.
That's a good plan. The food is amazing. You can find dishes from all over the world.
That sounds wonderful. What do you like most about living there?
I love the energy. The city never really sleeps.
Wow, that's exciting. How long is the flight?
About 13 hours. It's a long trip.
Oh, wow. I hope I can sleep a little.
Me too. Do you usually sleep on planes?
Not really. I usually watch movies or read.
That's a good idea. By the way, what do you do in Japan?
I'm a high school teacher.
That's great! Hey, your English is very good.
Thank you. I practice every day. What about you? What do you do?
I work at a software company.
That sounds interesting.
Maybe I can recommend some places for you to visit in New York.
Really? That would be amazing.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.